Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I need to review using the G.U.E.S.S strategy to solve problems because some people are having difficulty with this, so I'm going to explain it carefully. So here we go. You start by reading the problem. It says a cast iron cylinder serves as a counterbalance that is used in a window manufacturer's double hung window design. The cylinder has a weight of 5.25 inches and a diameter of 1.75 inches. The weight density of cast iron is 0.259 pounds per cubic inch. Use the information to answer the following questions. Let's look at question A. What is the volume of the cylinder? So if we were to use G.U.E.S.S for this to solve this problem for step A, we would go like this. So we're going to look at what is given to us in the problem, and I see that I have a diameter of 1.75 inches. I am also given a height of 5.25 inches and a density of 0.259 pounds per cubic inch. Notice how I wrote the term and the number and the unit with everything that was given to me. This could also include constants like the acceleration due to gravity and things like that. So once I have the numbers that the problem provides, I can continue with the problem solving process. The next thing I want to know is, what am I solving for? When I read the question on part A, we want to know the volume of the cylinder. So I write the term for volume. And I also put that it's going to be equal to some number of cubic inches. Do you see how volume is right here in the given? So you can figure out what the volume is going to be based on the information given to you in the problem. So it should look like this. If you leave the units off, you don't get credit for this step. The reason I'm doing this is you know what you're looking for at this point, and when you get to the answer, all you have to do is make sure that your units match. A lot of times, by the time you guys get through solving the problem here, you forgot what you were looking for and you put something like liters or some other volume that you just pull out of the sky. So next thing we need to do is identify the equation we can use to solve the problem. So we're looking for something that has volume, and maybe it might need density, but it definitely needs height and maybe diameter, which can be converted into a radius. So when I look at the formula chart, I find that the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. And that means that I can find volume with the numbers that are given to us. So this substitution is literally what you put into the calculator. So I'm going to take pi times 1.75 divided by 2, which is equal to the radius, and square that number times 5.25, which is the height, and then I write down my answer with appropriate units. So 12.62 and then cubic inches. That's how you use G.U.E.S.S to solve a problem. It should look like this. It should be easy to follow your process. Don't make me jump around. Use space to help it, to make it easier to see. If you want to shorten the given unknown equation and substitution to only G.U.E.S.S, that's fine. It's just make sure I can follow what you're doing. Thank you.